Fundamentals of digital warehousing. Digital warehousing is the new normal for the fulfillment and logistics industry. Smart warehousing or digital warehousing enables you to perform all warehousing and order fulfillment operations constructively with the help of the latest technology. Every operation from receiving the inventory to storing, restocking, and tracking, is executed by the merchant or the warehousing staff. Warehouses with traditional systems face multiple problems due to inaccuracies and inconsistency. Digital warehousing enables you to optimize your workflows, manage the supply chain better, enhance transparency, improve speed, and boost order accuracy. If it is connected with warehouse management system, accessing them later for selling or forwarding to new locations becomes easy. For example, using an inventory scanner helps register the new inventory in the database easily and makes the sorting process faster. Hence, warehousing operations become faster and the order fulfillment process smooth with warehouse digitalization. 93%